What's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. This isn't our normal style video, but instead it's an unboxing video from TEMU. TEMU reached out and said they love our channel, so they sent us a package. And if you've never heard of TEMU, then this video is for you. It offers a wide selection of merchandise, home goods, or even what I'm about to unbox in this video at all affordable prices. And I've never heard of TEMU until my mom and sister was ordering clothes like every week. So I was thinking maybe I should give this a try. So without further ado, let's get unboxing. Since I have an interest in automotive, this is the package they sent. But they have everything from kitchen supplies, clothing, to home decor. But let's open it up and see what they sent. So I'm also gonna test out some of the products they sent us and give you a good review on them. It looks like they sent a good amount of stuff. Packages is kind of damaged. Oh, they sent us, looks like drying towel maybe. I needed one of these. I had one of them, but when I'm on to the next car, I'm just in need for another one. What is this? Oh, it looks like it's an extender. That way you can wash the top of a car. Did not have one of these. Got another big box. Excited to see what this is. All right, so I still got a good bit more in here. Got a scrubber, and it's never too good to have a lot of these. You always need these when detailing. Got a couple more boxes. There's a lot of stuff. What is this? Oh, so these are the clips. Whenever you put like a new bumper on or something, you always break clips or lose clips. So this is something we always are needing and looking for. I always go on a Harbor Freight buying more. Not too sure what this is, so we're gonna have to unbox this, take a look at that. I think that's it. I'm gonna show them all the stuff. It's gonna be a good unboxing, so let's open it all up. So far from the look of it, it looks like it's mostly detailing stuff, but I'm excited to see what's in these boxes. Oh, so these are more of the clips. Got a box of them. That's pretty neat. So now we got a bunch more of these clips, plus this bag. You never can have too many of these when we're storing cars, so I'm very thankful we got these. So now let's move on to the next box. Oh, I needed one of these. It's a foam cannon for my pressure washer. The last one I had was broken, so couldn't really use that, so I was just using a regular hose and just a bucket of soap. Open this. Dang, this looks cool. Definitely gonna test this one out for y'all, show y'all how this works and give y'all an honest review. Very happy about this. So we love what we're seeing so far, and if you would like to get started, download the TEMU app through the link in our description box to get the $100 coupon bundle for free, or you can search the code DMP2864 in the TEMU search bar to claim. All right, so I already have this put together. I really needed one of these, so now I can reach the top of the vehicles without having to get on a ladder. Moving on to the drying towel. I'll show y'all how big it is. You have a gray side or blue side, so which one you want. Covers majority of the whole car, so you can wash that down super quick and easy. So let's move on to the boxes now. Oh, this is pretty cool. I've never seen this before. So I guess it's used to scrub your car, and it comes with soap. It's pretty cool, it has these attachments. So I guess it's pretty similar to this, except it has a brush to it to get harder spots. But I've never heard or seen this before, so this is gonna be fun to use. I'm excited to test that one out. And it says it's a auto rotary brush. So yeah, never heard of that before. All right, on to the next box to see what this one is. Ooh, what is this? It's a paint gun? Wait. It comes with this attachment. All right, so it turns out this is an interior pressure washer, not a paint gun. I read the instructions and figured that out, but it comes with this attachment. I guess it's the scrub, but all you do is fill this with water, attach it to an air hose, and you can clean like your vents, dash, or whatever. So we're gonna test this out later. This is a cool little product. All right, on to one of the last two. We're gonna do this small one first. get this open, see what this is. All right, so we got like a little sponge. All right, so car interior refurbished wax, polish and lighten. So I guess it's maybe like leather wax cleaner. All right, so it says to dip the sponge into the appropriate amount of polishing paste. So we're gonna be selling the Range Rover soon. So this is gonna work perfectly to get the seats all polished up. So good thing we got this. All right, I saved the biggest box for last. Let's see what's in this one. Ooh, something big. Oh, professional 14-inch surface cleaner. Dang, I needed that. Dang. It comes with these attachments. I don't really know what this is. We'll figure that out though. Dang, but our driveway is all like bad, like black now. So we can get this all freshened up, get it cleaned. I've been wanting this for a super long time. This is one I'm definitely gonna test out and show for y'all. Give y'all an honest review on this surface cleaner from TEMU. All right, so I'm very excited to use this. Give y'all the honest review with all these products all of y'all have been waiting for. I'm very excited, so let's go. All right, so these are the products I'm gonna review for y'all. We're gonna start off with the foam cannon, so let's get that hooked up to the pressure washer and get washing the Range Rover. Alright guys, I just finished testing out all the products that TEMU sent us. I would have to say my favorite is definitely this pressure washer. I've been wanting that for so long now. but I'm also happy that I got my new foam cannon. Very excited about that because my old one was not really working too much anymore. It's never too bad to have too many of these, so that's good. Same with these clips, you always want some of those. Very happy that TEMU sent all these products. This one right here, there's a lot of attachments that go to it, but it gets the job done and it's great. So if you like these type of videos, hopefully TEMU can send some more stuff and I can do some more unboxing and reviews. But that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed and I'll see you next time.